Welcome back to Crypto in 60, your daily crypto bite. I am so glad you are here because today's stories are absolutely stacked. Bitcoin has finally broken out of its $75,000 cage and is tapping 78,000, and the market is buzzing. XRP ETFs just smashed through a $1.08 billion milestone in a record weekly inflow. Wrapped XRP is now live on Solana, opening up a brand new world of cross-chain DeFi. Ethereum has quietly become one of the most heavily shorted assets on the planet, and Kraken's parent company just made a major acquisition in the regulated futures space. 5 big stories, all the alpha you need. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin has finally broken free. After being pinned below $75,000 for what felt like an eternity, Bitcoin surged past that level and tapped $78,000, sparking massive excitement across the market. The move came alongside nearly $820 million in crypto liquidations over 24 hours, meaning short sellers got absolutely wiped out. Bulls are now eyeing the next major resistance zone, and analysts are watching closely to see if this breakout has the momentum to hold. At current prices, Bitcoin is sitting at around $77,000, up about 3% on the day. The sentiment has shifted. The fear is fading. And if the bulls can defend this level, the next leg up could be significant. This is the breakout many have been waiting for. Moving on, XRP ETFs are absolutely on fire right now. Total assets under management for spot XRP exchange-traded funds have just surged past $1.08 billion, hitting a record inflow milestone that has the entire XRP community celebrating. Daily trading in XRP funds has blown past $26 million, and weekly inflows are at their highest level since mid-January of this year. To put that in perspective, institutional and retail money is flooding into XRP products at a pace we simply have not seen in months. XRP itself is trading at about $1.48, up over 2% today. This kind of ETF momentum is exactly the signal bulls want to see. It shows demand is real, it is growing, and it is backed by serious capital. Moving on. This is a huge development for both XRP and Solana holders. Wrapped XRP, or WXRP, has officially gone live on the Solana blockchain. What this means is that XRP can now be used directly inside Solana's DeFi ecosystem, allowing users to trade, provide liquidity, and earn yield using XRP without ever leaving the Solana network. This kind of cross-chain integration is a massive step forward for interoperability in the crypto space. It brings XRP's massive liquidity into one of the fastest and most active DeFi environments in the world. For Solana, it adds another powerful asset to its growing on-chain economy. For XRP, it dramatically expands its real-world utility beyond payments. Both communities win here, and the broader DeFi space becomes richer and more connected because of it. Moving on. Here is a wildly interesting setup that savvy traders should pay close attention to. Ethereum has become one of the most heavily shorted assets in global markets right now. Now, before you panic, hear this out. Extreme short positioning does not always mean the asset is doomed. In fact, when too many traders pile onto the short side, it creates the conditions for a brutal short squeeze. A short squeeze happens when the price rises unexpectedly, and all those short sellers are forced to buy back in to cover their losses, which pushes the price even higher. Ethereum is currently trading at around $2,400, up over 3% today. With this level of short interest building up, any sustained buying pressure could trigger a cascade that sends ETH surging hard and fast. Contrarian bulls are watching this setup very closely. Moving on. Kraken's parent company, Payward, has announced plans to acquire Bitnomial, a CFTC-regulated crypto futures exchange. And the key word here is regulated. Payward specifically cited Bitnomial's regulatory licenses as the primary reason for this deal. This is a strategic power move. By absorbing a fully licensed futures exchange, Kraken gains a massive regulatory edge, allowing it to offer a broader range of compliant derivatives products to both retail and institutional clients in the United States. This move signals that major crypto exchanges are no longer fighting regulation. They are embracing it, building around it, and using it as a competitive advantage. In a market that is maturing fast, having the right licenses could be the difference between dominating the next bull cycle and being left behind. Kraken just made a very calculated bet on the future of regulated crypto in America. And that is a wrap on today's episode of Crypto in 60, your daily crypto bite. What a day it has been. Bitcoin breaking out, XRP ETFs smashing records, cross-chain DeFi expanding, a massive short squeeze setup on Ethereum, and Kraken playing the long regulatory game. Exciting times ahead. Please remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this valuable, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a daily crypto bite. We will see you in the next one.